Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today I'll show you how to place components. First thing first, you need to view this area in different views. Click on 1, 2 on the keyboard. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. Each of these will display different. Number 3 will display this 3D view. Number 2 will display this 2D view, which is basically the PCB design. So press on number 2. Next thing will be dragging the items next to your board so that you can easily add and remove items. Okay, let's select the rest of the items and drag them down here. Now let's remove this sheet since we no longer need it. Now we have this board shape and we have all of these items. We need to add these items here. Bring all components close to the board as I mentioned earlier so that you can drag and drop easily. Now let's start by dragging the header, these two headers. So this is the first header and this is the second header. Let's zoom in to the header area. As what you can see here, we have these headers and we want these headers to be aligned together. So simply click one of these two headers and go to Edit, Origin, Set, zoom in here to make sure that you are setting the center of this. Now, as you can see, we define the origin to be the center of this area. Now, let's compile our PCB project. Compile successfully. Now, let's move this one. This header, as you can see, it must be aligned with this header. You can even rotate it since we have both of these headers here. Now these two are aligned. Next thing will be adding other items. Now we have our headers. Let's save our simulation or our PCB design project file. Now what we need to do is move the Atmega. As you can see in this area, we have a lot of items and one of these items is the Atmega. So what we need to do here is simply move the Atmega to the middle of this design so we can easily go here and search for Arduino Nano 3D shape. Now if we search for an image, as you can see here we have an image. This is the Atmega. It's not placed on a horizontal view. So let's go back here and drag this Atmega to the middle of this design area. I'll enter. We need it at 45 degrees. So let's go double click on this item and go down here to check for the angle. Okay, here we have the rotation, right, 45.